Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Desi body at home. To achieve your desired physique, focus on 3 core pillars: nutrition, exercise, and recovery. Your diet should be balanced, emphasizing protein for muscle repair and growth. Consistent bodyweight training will build strength and definition. Remember, proper rest is crucial for your body to adapt and grow stronger. Nutrition is paramount for building a Desi body. Aim for a high protein intake, around 0.7 grams per pound of your body weight, to support muscle repair and growth. Balance your meals with complex carbohydrates for energy and healthy fats for overall well-being. Staying well hydrated by drinking plenty of water is also essential for all bodily functions and performance. Effective home workouts don't require a gym. Focus on compound bodyweight exercises such as push-ups, squats, and lunges to work multiple muscle groups. To keep progressing, gradually increase your repetitions, sets, or decrease rest times. A structured routine, performed 3 to 4 times per week, will yield the best results for building strength and definition at home. Recovery is just as vital as your workouts and diet. Ensure you get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep nightly, as this is when your muscles repair and grow. Remember, consistency is the ultimate factor for long-term success in building your Desi body. Keep pushing forward, even on challenging days. Also, for a cleaner home while you focus on your fitness, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.